Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on biometrics and security. Here on the second position we've got fingerprints, so simply enter, and this is the very first step of adding our fingerprints, so just tap on continue. Here we have to add an additional screen lock, and it is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. And because if not, if you won't be able to unlock it, then you will have to go through whole hard reset operation, which will wipe your data. I mean your photos, contacts, and so on and so on. So it is very important to remember the screen lock because the hard reset operation is irreversible. So you can choose the pattern, pen or password. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick the pattern. So let me draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to scan our fingerprint, and the sensor is located on this physical home button. So let's put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner for better recognition, obviously. Okay, and now we have to get a full scan, so we have to, let's say, enroll our finger on the sensor, so tap on continue and try to do it. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. We can add another just by tapping on that. If not, tap on done. If you'd like to back up your pattern, then tap on agree. I don't want to do that. And as you can see, this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it, and this is a very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added to your device. It was my index, so I will name it like it. So what I was saying, that it is quite important if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, because you can then recognize them. What's more, after tapping on it, we can remove it right here. We can add another, of course. Another fingerprint. We can check added fingerprints. So this is, let's say, a test. So after placing our finger on it, your device will tell you which fingerprint it is. What's more, here we can decide if you'd like to use the fingerprint as an unlock option, and you can tap on the switcher to turn it off, but I will leave it like this in order to check. So let me lock our device and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we will be also able to unlock it with the pattern. So as I said, we can unlock it with this additional screen lock in the same situation. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.